Sawadee Khap, welcome to PHUKET XTRA, brought to you by PSD Windows and Doors. I'm JP Mestanza and it's Wednesday, May 6th. Let's get started. One new coronavirus case has been confirmed for the kingdom today, making it back-to-back days that we've had a single case, the lowest daily number since March 9th really. But one new death has been reported and it's in Kaulak. Out of the 2,986 cases for the nation, just over 91% have recovered as the death toll increases to 55, with the news that a 69-year-old general manager of a hotel in Kaulak, an Australian national, was infected with COVID-19 when he died at one of the field hospitals here in Phuket. He also had chronic lung disease. He became ill back on March 24th after visiting Phuket just days before, and officials say they've been able to trace several people who came into contact with and quarantine them, including a hotel accountant in Nai Harn and others. Meanwhile, it's the fourth day in a row that Phuket officials announced no new coronavirus infections, with the total for the island still at 220 cases, with 180 patients fully recovered and 3 total deaths. Meanwhile, sports organizers say that if the infection rate continues to decline, boxing stadiums could be allowed to start hosting fight cards on June 15th, but to empty seats. For more, visit thephuketnews.com. Schools across the country are being allowed to decide whether they will reopen on July 1st. Officials from the Office of Basic Education Commission, OBEC, they say that since there are so many different kinds of schools, whether they're in urban or rural areas, or even in remote communities, there's no one way that COVID has affected their particular community. So it'll be up to the school administrators to decide whether July 1st is suitable to reopen for them. School administrators will also decide the manner in which they'll open, whether to utilize online learning or fully open with social distancing measures, constant cleaning in areas set up for screening. For more, visit thephuketnews.com. It's been a bloody week of skirmishes in the southern Thailand insurgency, which continues in spite of the current pandemic, with 4 people dead. And now in the aftermath, Army officials say that the guns seized from the insurgents were used in 22 violent incidents in the region. It all began last Thursday, April 30th, as a military task force surrounded a house full of insurgents at a village in Pattani province, and in the gunfight, 3 insurgents were killed. Their weapons were seized, and today Army officers say that among the 22 violent incidents that those weapons were used for, it included the bombing at the Big C Superstore in Pattani and in the bombings in Phuket, according to them. In response to last week's deadly clash, however, insurgents ambushed 2 paramilitary rangers on Sunday night, killing 1 and wounding another. That's it for PHUKET XTRA today, brought to you by PSD Windows and Doors. For safe, secure, and soundproof windows, visit pvcphuket.com. Thanks again for joining us, and until tomorrow, stay classy, Phuket.
Phuket's rapid modernization has made it one of the world's premier holiday destinations. Investors can still buy quality condominiums for as low as $75,000, and luxury properties can go all the way up to $20 million. Condominiums in Phuket are a safe, secure bricks-and-mortar investment, offering foreigners freehold ownership. Call or email Thai Residential, Phuket's #1 trusted real estate advisor, to find your perfect Phuket property.